Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you a total two websites where we can create a high quality do-follow social bookmarking backlink. So the first website name is bookmark.template.com. So this is a website, a dashboard. So before the started we can do some research. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 57 and according to Moj they don't have enough data about this site. And if I can show you this website traffic, so this website having a 12K monthly traffic and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, UAE, Egypt and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So the first thing you guys will click on we can create a profile on this website. So you can click on the register button and there you can add your username and your email address. Then you guys will choose your password and you can verify your password and you can verify your captcha. Then you can click on the create a user button. So I guess there I have already created account, so let me use okay, sorry though. So the in this site this username is already exist, so I can use some another. And you will see our account is created on this website. And after that, so you can wait a couple of time. Then what you guys will do on this website for the best practices. So once you create your account, you can do some engagement on these already published bookmarking. So suppose you can click on this bookmarks, there you can put your some comment. And then you can start with engagement to the another bookmarks. Then you can create, then you can optimize your profile on these here. So you will see there is a profile settings option. So from there you can optimize your profile. Once you spend some time on this website, then you can optimize your profile. After that, before you can in this how I can tell you, this video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do-follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. Okay, so after that, how you can submit your social bookmark on this website. So you can click on the submit button and there you can put your website URL. So this is the URL for I can going to create a bookmarking backlink. Click on the continue and there you can add your bookmark a title. So I have already generated for this. And there you can add your tags and if you're wanting to add a multiple tag, so you can type a comma, then you can add your multiple keywords. And in this section there you can add your description, and after you can verify your captcha. Click on the save changes and submit. Invalid captcha. And you will see our bookmark is successfully submitted on this website. So you can click on your title and you will see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is an instant approved social bookmark backlink or not. So you will see this is an instant approved backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So on the first website, we have created a social bookmark backlink, and also I explained to how you can make your profile mature on this website. So the second website name is socialbookmarkingsites.com, and this is our dashboard. So before the started, we can do search about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 40, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 55, and the spam score is only 2%. If we can check this website traffic, so this website having around a 12.1K monthly traffic. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the register button and you can create your profile. So there you can add your username, your email address, you'll add your password. I guess I have already created account on this site, might be. So that's why the password is suggesting. So you guys will create your account. There you can fill your all login details, and you are able to. So after that, your profile is created. Once your profile is created, click on the submit new story button, and you are navigate on this section. So in the URL section, there you can add your website, the web page URL. Click on the continue button, and there you can add your story title. So your bookmark title. Select your category, and there you can add your tags, add your description. Then after that, click on the save changes, submit a story, and your bookmark is successfully submitted. And this is your backlink. Click on the read more button, and you will see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is an instant approved backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. And so overall, this is the process for the backlinking on these websites. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.